Bonjour à tous! Today we are going to a very special place. The latest attraction at the land of fire and ice. We are going to visit the active volcano of Fagradalsfjall.
The eruption started on March 2021 after almost a year of seismic activity. And the last eruption at this site happened around 13th century. So yeah, this is really a big spectacle of our time. The location is around 60 km away from Reykjavik and a little west from the town of Grindavik.
There are several parkings, so depending on your route, you should choose the correct parking.
We have chosen this parking as we will take the Langihryggur.
You can find the detailed information about paths, maps, latest weather condition here. It can also be found in the description below. This is a wall that they made to make sure that the lava doesn't spill over the valley. Wow, never expected to see such fresh lava up so close in our life. It's an experience of lifetime indeed. It's time to go to the upper viewpoint of Langihryggur. Yay! Finally we made it. There is the volcano.
Okay, now let's go close to the volcano and show you how it looks.